you guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. Today's video is all about some new color contacts that I want to try out for you guys. It's from a new company that did contact me to try out some contacts for you guys. As you know, I do wear prescription contacts. My prescription is a -2, so I do believe that they sent me prescription ones, but we shall see. But before we jump into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. Alright y'all, so this is the little box that it came in. It did get delivered via DHL. Let's take a look. So this is the info card you're gonna get. It's a thank you card. The company name is Tintiris, and it has all the contact information to find them on all social media as well as their email. Oh, it's called Tintiris. Duh. Your iris is your eye. Oh my gosh, these boxes are so pretty. Look how pretty these boxes are. Like, this is definitely giving me pastel, like Arizona vibes. I don't know why this is reminding me of like something you would see in Arizona. But this color palette is like all the colors that I love. These are colors that I love to wear. They're just like the colors that I absolutely have in like my clothing and my makeup. Like, my makeup is this color today. Like, I love these colors. You're also going to get some contact cases. This is one. Here's another one. It looks like I have 4 pairs of contacts to show you guys. It looks like this is the signature brand for Tintiris. And these are not color corrected. Oh wow, these are not, these do not have a prescription on them. So those are the Tintiris, and then these are Fresh Go. And let's see, yes, these are a -2, as well as these are a -2. So I think we'll try the non-prescription first, I guess. So we'll try the Tintiris contacts first. So the first pair I'm going to try for you guys is called Hazel Master in Palette Classic. Okay, you guys, so I just opened up the first contacts. This is what they look like. So this is Hazel Master from Tintiris. That's what the case looks like. And then they did give me a contact case. So this is what the contact case looks like. And it does come with a small tweezer and with an applicator. I don't use the tweezer and the applicator. I always throw those out, but I know some people do use them. I don't. I've been wearing contacts since I was like 13 years old. So yeah, I don't use any applicator. I just use my finger. I also don't get fancy when it comes to contact solution. I literally just pick up the Up and Up from Target. It's just the Clear Comfort double pack. I usually buy the double pack because it's 2. And so yeah, I'm just gonna fill this bad boy up with solution. I'm gonna take the contacts that I have in out. I'm gonna zoom my camera in and just get nice and close up on my eyes, and then we'll get started with this try on. All right, so I'm gonna try them on one at a time so you can see the difference. So this is what the contact is looking like. So this is what the contact is looking like in one eye. These are so soft. It literally feels like you're not even wearing anything. These contacts are really, really soft. I actually like them. And I like that they have a good amount of coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out and try on the next pair. These ones are called Hazel Master. All right, you guys, so the next color that I'm gonna do is called Blue Jade. So I'm gonna put one end. Oh wow, these are bright. Scary. Look at this contact. It's like the same color as my nails. Frightening. Wow. That looks wild. Okay. Oh, well, it's not that bright when you put it in. It's actually subtle. So I like that these contacts aren't the type of contacts that blocks out your entire eye color underneath it. It still lets your eye color come through. So it almost just like tints your eye as opposed to like totally covering your eye color and changing it to the color of the contact. So it's definitely a more subtle look. I'm gonna put the other one in. I love the fact that I'm putting these contacts in. My eyes are not watering, they're not dripping. By now, usually I'd have to like touch up my mascara and my makeup because my eyes will start to get irritated. But these are so soft and comfortable. I really wish they were prescription because then I'd be able to wear them. But these are actually really cute. Let's move on to the next brand, Fresh Go, which also obviously is on Tintiris website. These ones are from the collection called Glass Ball, and this one is in the shade green and is in the power -2. So these are prescription for me. Oh, this one is inside out. Let me turn this the right way. You know your contacts are inside out if when you look at them, they're not like a perfect curve up. If you look at it and it's a curve up and then it cups off, you know it's inside out. So when you turn it right side, it'll be a perfect curve up, and that's when it's the right way. And if you put your contacts on inside out, you'll know it's inside out when it's in your eye. Even if you couldn't tell here, you know, because when you blink, it'll move. So every time you blink, you'll see the contact like circle around because it's not fitted to your eye. So just a little tidbit for contact wearers. So this is Glass Ball in green. This one is very subtle to me. I don't really see too much of a difference. This is very subtle to me. I'm so grateful that these contacts are so gentle. They literally aren't even making my eyes water. This is very subtle. I actually really like how subtle this is. It's almost just like the slightest hint of a color. And the further back I go, it's not even like too much. It's very subtle. I'm liking these contacts because they are so soft and gentle, and like the color is not overbearing and powerful. Like it's almost like someone would have to look at me for a long time to figure out why my eyes are so pretty. Like they wouldn't even be able to tell, like until they looked for a while. So these are Glass Ball in green. The last one is, the collection is Hidrocor, and these are Quartz in a -2 power. Oh, so this is what I was talking about. Contacts that block out the color of your eye underneath and change your entire eye color without blending. So Quartz would be one of those. So this is not gonna be your subtle contact. This is going to be when you want to stop traffic and make people think you're a white walker. Like, just put on you know, white wig and like you'll be a whole, you know, white walker on Game of Thrones. Let's try the other one, shall we? Who's ready for Halloween? Who's ready for Halloween? I ain't gonna hold you though. This could definitely work. Like if you want to be Storm or you want to be like Daenerys from Game of Thrones. I'm not gonna say that. I'm just gonna let y'all like soak this in right here. I'm gonna just let y'all just take all of this in, okay? Because this is the whole moment right here. So just run out and go buy Hidrocor in the shade Quartz, okay? And just, you know, get ready for Halloween. It's coming up. It's coming up. Figure out your costume based around these white worker contacts. Because it's a moment. Okay? And on that note, thank you so much, Tintiris, for sponsoring this video, for sending over all these contacts. So much appreciated. If you guys like this video and you like this type of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you to miss out, okay? And make sure you share this video. Share this video with a friend. Share with a color contact lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.